Welcome to the next project of Home Sketch Interior. Today we are in Monarch Serenity. The house belongs to Mr. Venkateshwarlu. And we are standing in the foyer area. The foyer area, as usual, we have designed with a very beautiful lighting, where the foyer is highlighted with a wallpaper, the Buddha photograph, the shoe rack, and then the L-type lids to highlight the wallpaper, and then the rafter in the main entrance. So coming into the living room of the house, first I would like to talk about the fall ceiling of the house. The fall ceiling is again we have done a rafter concept. So the rafter of the rafter in the foyer area, we have made a very simple rafter in the foyer area. So we continued the same concept of rafter and made bigger size rafters and huge lighting here. So the rafters are covered with the spotlights, the bigger lights, the smaller lights, and the rafter to cover the fans as well. And then coming to the TV unit of this living room, we've not done a very difficult or very complex unit here. It's a very simple, elegant TV unit where the panel is decorated with a deco light with a floral pattern, and then we have a rafter around which highlights with a spotlight which highlights the deco light. A small cabinet for accommodating the set-top box and DVD players, and then on the other side you have the small small boxes or small niches to have putting for the artifacts and small things, and then it's also highlighted with the spotlights. And then the same wallpaper concept which we have used in the foyer, we have used the same wallpaper in the back side of the sofa area as well. And then coming to the next part of this area, it's a dining. The dining is combined with both the hand wash area and the puja crockery cabinet. It's a mix of all of this. So the wash area we have decorated with a big mirror, and then a wash basin, designer wash basin, with a storage cabinets here, and then a storage cabinet on the other side as well. And coming to the other part of this room is the puja with the crockery unit. This unit is highlighted with a crockery unit where we have open shelves, then boxes, and then you have drawers on both sides and then doors. So it's a mix of both open and closed unit. And then coming to the puja mandir has a totally different concept with the bells on one side and the glass deep on the other side. When we open the puja mandir, again we have a very beautiful concept of ledges, and then the ledges highlighted with the light, and then the middle part of the puja unit highlighted with the designer tile of deep with the Ganesha. So the whole concept is a mix of both a contemporary and a traditional mixed design that we made in the puja unit. And coming to the next part of the house, the kitchen. The kitchen is a very beautiful kitchen here. The kitchen is made with a berry bunch color and a contemporary white grey mix laminate. So as usual, we have the lighting given in the kitchen cabinet, and then you have the tandem boxes, the bottle racks, and then all the cutlery, cup and saucer and thali, and then the L-type rack, the lift ups, the glass doors, everything is accommodated. We also have created a tall unit to accommodate the microwave, and then again a storage beneath that. And then on the other side of the kitchen, we have given the provision for putting the aquaguard, and then we have small units for accommodating the detergent and the dustbin rack. And then the most interesting part of this kitchen is the dry vegetables area, where we have made a dry vegetable rack for two open shelves for wicker baskets, which is used for the dry vegetables. So the kitchen is very compact, elegantly designed to accommodate all the requirements. And coming to the next part of the house, a very simple and elegant designed area of the house is a master bedroom. So the master bedroom, we have made a very neat wardrobe. The floor is wooden flooring, so we want to match the concept of the wooden flooring with the wardrobe that we have done. So we've now done a neat wardrobe with a white and a brown mix, a beige color and a brown mix language. And then we have given all soft closures. So you can see and then it's also covered with a loft and a well designed but simple room, simple master bedroom. And coming to the next part of the house, it's the children bedroom of the house. Children bedroom of the house, we used a different concept here, a walk-in closet. So we have used three different sparkle collection laminate. One is the purple, the other one is the pink, and the other one is a shade of pink and purple together. So when we enter into this room, we have to enter into the room like this. You can see the walk-in closet here. And then when we enter this room, we have given the provision for the lighting and the fan. Everything provision is there. Backside of this, if we close the door, we have the mirror. So you close the door, it becomes a compact room. And then you have the mirror inside, so children can happily dress up here. This is a simple 2 BHK house, well designed and